Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to block someone on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is open your League of Legends through your right client. And as you launch the game, it takes a while to load, so all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is go at the right top corner for that setting option and just click on there. And as you click it, look at your left right here and select this block list. And as you do that guys, all you have to do is just go in this typing box and type the player name you want to block. Just type the name and click on the option block right here. So guys, that's how you block someone on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.